Of computer department. Today I want to discuss with the video fifth of third unit, that is event handling. In this video we will see this event handling. So event listener interface. The task of handling the event is carried out by event listener. When an event occurs, first of all, an event object of the appropriate type is created. This object is then passed to the listener. A listener must implement the interface that has the method for event handling. The java.awt.event package contains definitions of all the event classes and the listener interface. An interface contains constant values and the method declaration. The methods in the interface are only declared and not implemented. That is, the methods do not have body. The interface are used to define the behavior on occurrence of event that can be implemented by any class anywhere in the class hierarchy. Is it clear? So the task of handling the event is carried out by event listener. The listener is the interface. It contains only method declaration. It does not have any method. So predefined methods are there, abstract methods are there. You must implement all the methods whether you are use or not use. We will see one by one listener type. So first one is action listener. So in the previous video I have explained when the action listener will be activated. So when you are pressing the button, clicking on the menu item, so action listener will be used. This interface defines the method that is action performed, which is invoked when the action event occurs. The syntax is void action performed, action event ACT is as a parameter. So the method here is action performed. You must implement this method when you are using this action listener interface. We'll see in the example. So here one example is there, event handling. So first of all I will run the program and see that. See, enter first number. So I am entering the first number and next second number, and when I am clicking on this button, the sum is 35. 23 plus 12 is 35. Is it clear? So this is what the event handling. So in the previous also I have explained this. Here two labels are there, two text fields are there, and button is there. When I am clicking on this button, add button, the action should be happen. That's why we are adding the listener, that is add action listener to B1. Button का object क्या है? B1 है. So in this action listener you are having the method that is action performed. So action perform method we are implementing. You are supposed to implement this action perform method. So here A and B are the variables, integer variables you are declared, and retrieving the content of the text field, and then you are adding this one. Sum equal to A plus B. Is it clear? Next we will go to the second one, that is item listener interface. This interface is used when the item from the list is selected. For example, a choice is made or if a checkbox is selected. If a checkbox is selected, item listener interface you have to implement it. Here in this item listener you are having the method that is item state change method is only one method defined by the item listener interface. The syntax is void item state changed. Is it clear? Item listener, when you are using the item listener, when you are clicking on the checkbox, when you are selecting the item from the choice, you have to use this item listener. So example for item listener is, so I am running this program. See, checkbox is there when you are checking. So when I am clicking in this C++, so C++ checkbox is checked condition. So when I am clicking on Java checkbox is checked. Is it clear? So here which method you have implemented? Item state changed. And where to add the listener? Add item listener, checkbox object, checkbox 1 and checkbox 2 you have created. Checkbox 1 C++ and checkbox 2 Java is there. You are adding the item listener to these checkboxes. Is it clear? And after that, get source, that will retrieve the object. So e dot get source means that will be retrieve the checkbox 1. This object will be retrieved. If checkbox 1 equals checkbox 1, then label dot set text C++ checkbox e dot get state change equals 1 and checked and otherwise unchecked. So this is what a ternary operator. So last time you studied ternary operator. If the condition is true, then the statement after the question mark will be executed. If the condition is false, then the statement after the colon will be executed. Is it clear? So this is what about this item listener. And next we will see that key listener. So key listener interface is defining the events such as key press, key release and key type. Here three methods are there: key press, key release and key type. The methods, you have to implement all the three methods, whether it is useful or not useful. See, I will share the one example for this key listener. So here key listener, first I am showing the output of this key listener. So here I am typing, this is example of key listener. So here character 30 are there and word is 5. So key listener. So here we are only key release. You are writing the code only for key release. When I am key releasing, the event will be happening. For that you have to implement key press open. मेथड को ओपन करके क्लोज किया है, आपको यूज नहीं रहेगा तो. सो जो की रिलीज में आपको मेरे को कोडिंग चाहिए. की टाइप में भी कुछ नहीं लिखा मैंने, इधर भी अपना. यू हैव टू इम्प्लीमेंट ऑल द थ्री मेथड्स. इज इट क्लियर? This is the drawback of this listeners. And here what is this in this? Because of time I am explaining shortly. So label is there, text area is there, adding the key listener. Is it clear? So text area में हमने key listener को add कर रहे, and then size adding this area, text area and the label add किया, and key press, key release. key release के लिए एक किया टेक्स्ट एरिया डॉट गेट टेक्स्ट. जो भी गेट टेक्स्ट में एरिया में टाइप कर रहे हैं उसको रिट्राइव करेगा, और स्ट्रिंग वर्ड्स इक्वल टू टेक्स्ट डॉट स्प्लिट. सो जब स्पेस आएगा वो स्प्लिट करेगा, सो दैट इज वर्ड में कन्वर्ट करेगा, वर्ड में लेगा. एंड सेट टेक्स्ट वर्ड्स डॉट लेंथ कैरेक्टर्स इक्वल टू टेक्स्ट डॉट लेंथ, वो टेक्स्ट का लेंथ को काउंट करेगा. सो ये रैपर क्लास में आप लोग यूज किया, की टाइप एंड की लिस्नर को कॉल किया. इज इट क्लियर? And after that you are using mouse listener. Mouse listener interface, this interface defines the five important methods for various activities such as mouse click, press, release, enter and exit. These are the 5 methods you are supposed to implement: mouse click, mouse press, mouse release, mouse enter and mouse exit. And mouse motion listener contains the 2 more methods, that is the mouse dragged and mouse moved. Is it clear? For that I have written the example. Mouse listener, see here, mouse click, mouse entered and this one. So I am running this one, run this, mouse entered, click, press, release, exit, entered, and all these methods you have to implement. Is it clear? So and next mouse dragged and mouse moved, it is also there, mouse dragged and mouse moved. Mouse motion listener. So here I am given the example mouse drag के लिए. कलर है ये, माउस सर, इसके लिए कोडिंग लिखा। सो दिस इज व्हाट द माउस ड्रैग, माउस ड्रैग यूज किया। माउस मूव मेरे को यूज नहीं है, फिर भी मैंने ओपन करके क्लोज करना पड़ता है। सो माउस ड्रैग के लिए मैं कोड लिखा, सेट कलर, कलर डॉट ब्लू, गेट ग्राफिक्स जी लिया, जी डॉट सेट कलर, सो ई डॉट गेट फिल ओवल का ये दे, जी डॉट फिल ओवल, ई डॉट गेट एक्स गेट वाई 2020। इज इट क्लियर? सो दीज आर द width and the height of the that oval shape. And after that, is it clear? So this is the drawback of this listeners. You have to implement all the methods present in this listeners. Is it clear? So that we will overcome by using this adapter class. In the next video we will see